Hey there, Assalamualaikum everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today we're going to be talking about a very, very viral and important topic. Is dropshipping halal? This question has been asked to me many times. So without any further ado, let's answer the question. So dropshipping now seems pretty straightforward that you're taking a product or from a wholesaler, manufacturer from China, Vietnam, wherever it is being produced for a cheap cost and then selling it internationally, but not handling anything in between. For example, you take a product from China, which is being made for about 50 cents. Let's say it's this ring right here, it's 50 cents. And then you can sell it in Germany on a specific website and people are buying it, and then as soon as they hit buy, it notifies an automatic buy also to the wholesaler, and then the money is sent, and then the product is sent over to them through shipping and whatnot. What you're doing in between is pretty much just facilitating that sale. Now, how could this be haram, Ahmed? It seems so straightforward. Well, there is reasons why it's impermissible. There's a lot of times when people ask me, why is riba haram? What does riba even do to society? Why is leveraging haram, and why is certain businesses haram? How do they affect the society? And so now, how is dropshipping haram? Why is this method not permissible? It's just me selling something, just being a middleman. Middleman is something that's okay. I'll explain to you why. Now, majority of the ulama have talked about a certain hadith. I'll put the hadith up here somewhere, where if you don't own something or it's not in your possession, you can't really sell it forward. And this same hadith has been used for multiple things like derivatives, options, and XYZ. Now, why is this hadith so important, and how does this affect society? That's what you have to think about. Well, it doesn't really need an explanation. If the Prophet ﷺ has said, don't do it, we shouldn't be doing it. But for many of us, why, we need to always understand why Islam is Islam and why we should follow it. So the reason is because there's a lot of issues when it comes to the actual transaction, concepts of risks, concepts of, for example, you say to somebody, I will sell you a XYZ, I'll send you this ring. You go to the manufacturing and the manufacturing doesn't really have this ring. You've already taken the money and taken that promise, but you can't act upon it. There's risks like this, there's issues like this, and it opens up a lot of door for fraud and scams and much further details. Now, if you want me to go into detail about this hadith, I will find a ulama, or I will find a person who understands the hadith a lot better than I do to explain it in further detail, and we'll make another video about it. We'll do another podcast with one of the ulama that I know. So inshallah, if you guys want that, just let me know in the comments below. So now, you take this hadith, okay, now I know that, okay, fine, I can't be the guy in between because I don't hold the physical product, I don't hold the risks of it, I don't hold the variabilities of it and the logistics of it, and I can't be that person between. But then, like, how can I solve this problem? How can I be part of this business, be part of this industry, and make money? Now, this is how you can make that mashallah money, but still do something that's similar to dropshipping. Okay, so there is solutions, and I'll put something up here, right here, in regards to some of the answers from Islamic finance experts from IFG, or muftis or ulama, who have talked about a solution in Juala contracts, where it's not like you are the middleman, but it's like you talk to the manufacturing and you tell them, listen, we're going to come to an agreement within one another that what I'm doing is on a commission base. So I will go out there and sell your products on various platforms, and each sale I'll get an X percentage back, or X amount back. So for example, if this ring is being sold for 50 cents, or if I'm selling this ring for $5, your cost is 50 cents. I get $2 out of this, and you guys have to be the ones who are facilitating the entire transaction. But also, you need to let the seller know. You need to let the buyer know that this contract is, in essence, you are a known affiliate to the wholesaler and you're selling for the wholesaler. So they know that the risk is actually still with the wholesaler, and not upon you. So you actually can write up these ju'ala based contracts, and there are some examples of these contracts online which you can take, talk to the manufacturers, whoever they're from, China or something, be like, hey, this is the agreement that we're making between one another. But you acknowledge and you would understand that the risk is on you in the sense of sending the products over. My job is just that I am your known middleman who will do affiliate marketing for you and make sales for you. And then that way you kind of come out of that issue. Now, if you want to read more about this answer that I just gave, I'll link some information for you guys in the description. You can go into details over there and learn more about it from there. I hope this answers your question. And yeah, I hope you guys will continue making that mashallah money. Take care of yourself as always, and like, share, subscribe. Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.